The Wisconsin Department of Administration has issued changes to the Wisconsin Home Energy Assistance Program. This is in response to the coronavirus, impacting largely the income eligibility guidelines for assistance. The Department of Administration acknowledges that this is in response to the coronavirus as families' incomes become more unstable and more people are out of work. They want to be responsive to be flexible to families in need. Now, program eligibility is typically contingent on 3 months of cumulative income when you're applying for energy assistance. The change that has been issued by the Department of Administration is to now use a household's income from just the prior month to determine eligibility. And this change is effective as of March 30th, 2020. They say the best time to apply is right now. You can also, when you're applying for energy assistance, request a crisis application, which means you could also be eligible for additional funds. And we give you a closer look at those income eligibility thresholds in the description below. So here's how the benefit works. The amount of the energy assistance benefit depends on the household size, income, and energy costs. If a family is eligible, the payments are typically made directly to the heat or electric supplier. Now recall, the Wisconsin Public Service Commission has also directed regulated utilities to stop any disconnection for non-payment for all consumers, and that guidance was issued on March 22nd. So in all, the Department of Administration and the Public Service Commission working to make sure families can stay connected to energy, to heat, during this time of coronavirus, knowing that families might be suffering because of lower income right now. Now, we give you that home energy website in the description below, along with the instructions of how to apply.